Hey there traders, welcome to this market review for the New York ICT Silver Bullet hour, where we're going to be looking at the potential opportunity that was presented to us on US500 and the trade that we tried to execute on that generated 3R in 15 minutes. Let's jump into the initial action where you can see lifetime, the thought process behind this and the levels that I was looking at. So we've taken swing high here at the open of the Silver Bullet hour. Swing high just above us, the buy side. So we've taken that swing high, we've got that, we've left a big fair value gap on the news. We break a structure here after taking this liquidity. It's not a balanced price range. And we are just under that buy side, relative equal highs. Fair value gap, run on this liquidity. Taking that sell side, previous day low. Relative equal highs up here. We'll prefer it if they got ran, to be fair. Optimal trade entry, order block. Breaker block. We've got lots of reasons stacking up here to start looking for a potential long position if it presents itself. Ideally, I would like a run on those highs with the liquidity above us. We've taken sell side in Asia session now, so I think that we need to take some buy side before we could start looking for short positions. So I am kind of bullish at this point. I'll take an entry on this BPR if it does come back and tap it, expecting the session highs to get taken out. And so this is optimal trade entry, pumped up, bit of an order block, bit of a breaker block, expecting the session highs to get taken. Entry on the BPR. Dollar's not doing anything. It's tapped the fair value gap, but it's not tapped the BPR just yet. So it's missed my entry by a tiny margin, which is a shame. Maybe too greedy. But I got in at the fair value gap, I'd have been in now with stop loss would be below that low. I have to wait patiently now, see if it gets tagged in and then see if it makes a run for the highs. Let's hit the BPR, it's not tagged me in because of spread. I'm not actually in the trade yet. The spread's minute as well on my broker, but it's not put me in. That's not the entry. That's the entry. It's just got tapped by a couple of points, but it hasn't put me in on my MetaTrader because of the spread. The spread is literally, that must have been just out. Be break even here as well at this point because we're so close to the take profit. I would have definitely pushed that to break even. Whoa, so close. It's actually hit on MetaTrader. So that's it. That was a nice winning trade based on just grabbing quick 5 handles. The ultimate target would be taking out the session highs at the very least. Possibly even going for the daily high with all of this equal highs. Buy side, relative equal highs. There's a lot of liquidity built up over here. $3.45, so we've got a new 15-minute candle just opening now. So we could do this maybe pushing up to create this top wick and then reversing. There we go. Perfect. Just as we were talking. So that's your 3R. New 15-minute candles opened up, taking the highs, and then we may get a reversal from here coming back down. I'm not going to be interested in chasing a reversal. That was our opportunity, which we missed. Didn't get tagged in. Need to take into account the spread and be just a little bit more aware of my entries. Potentially not be so greedy over half a pip or half a point. So there we go. The 3R target was hit. Nice 15 minutes, 3R from there. Unfortunately, we didn't get tagged in onto that one. This new candle, new 15-minute candle could now reverse and start pulling back. So it's nice that we hit that so quickly within that window. I hope you found that useful. Hope it was insightful for you to see how I was reading the chart and the opportunity on the ICT Silver Bullet for this afternoon. And we'll be back again tomorrow with more updates on Euro USD in the morning and US500 in the New York session.